Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I have the September 2025 main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. We are going to unbox that together. I will leave all the information you need to know about how you can get your kit listed down below in the description box. Alright, so let's get to it and start unboxing. As you can see here, the main kit this month is full of the Simple Stories Book Fair collection, and it is so amazing, especially this time of year when all the kids are going back to school. So we do receive this puffy sheet full of great titles. We've got homework, reading, good job, book fair, first day. There's so many on here. Oh my gosh, there's more on the back. I had no idea. School days, terrific, fantastic, best friends, school rules. This is a ton of title options that you can use on your layouts. I love this, and I love the colors in this collection. All right, we also receive the bits and pieces to the book fair collection. Here's a close-up if you want to screenshot that to see any of them up close. But I will go ahead and take these out in my stack and sort tray here and just show you, flip through the pieces. Oh, I love that little owl. We've got a cute little desk. We've got some more titles here. We've got the word learn. Lots of different like school supplies with pens, glue, an eraser. We've got cute little stars and clips. Book Smart. There's a cute little typewriter. We've got a bell or an alarm there. Cute little notebook. There's so many little ones that keep falling out. A little book. Book bag. Let's see here. I'm trying to flip them over. Study hall. Here's some more books. A little like award. Some music notes. Cool. Glasses. A stapler. There's some, what do you call those? Those little cards. Oh my gosh, I can't think of the name. Flashcards, there we go. There's a little pencil holder, another pencil, more little awards. There's like a school crossing sign. Here's a little school building. Oh, I remember those. They used to bring the TV in on those carts. I don't know if they still do that. Probably not. Book bag, book, and like a little file folder. So those are cute. We also received this amazing stencil. Now this is from Simple Stories and it has all these cute cameras. So I can't wait to try something with this. Maybe add some mixed media through there. And we receive a pre-cut cut file. So this one says curl up with a good book. So that's awesome. And look at the size of this. This is a great big cut file this month. We received the sticker sheet to the book fair collection from Simple Stories. There's lots of wordy bits at the bottom. I like this border strip too. There's lots of the similar or same icons that we saw on the bits and pieces. There's also a little school bus and a banner. So here's the pattern papers that are included in the kit. I like this one with the florals and the notebook paper, and then we got the paper airplanes. Here's some little cut aparts here, and the back is like that notebook paper. Then we've got lots of rulers here. Those will be fun to cut apart. I love that. And then we've got just like a green pattern paper there. It's kind of like an olive green. Then we've got some books on a bookshelf here. And then the B side, this one has like writing that you would see maybe on a chalkboard. Then we've got some pencils at the bottom here. And oh, I love this with the pencils on the back in the teal and the pink. Lots of different school icons on this sheet with a dark teal color. And then on the back are the stripes. So you can see here the B side, you wouldn't necessarily have to use for school. You could use that for anything. Like this could be used for anything. So could this one. This is a nice plaid. Then we've got the tags. So lots of cut apart tags here, and these are good cut aparts. I love these. So some really cute ones here. Reach for the Stars, Top of the Class, and those little notebooks. And then I love the back too. So it's just like the pattern at the top, and then you've got lined paper or grid paper for the bottom. So you could journal on those. Here's a journaling card cut apart. So we've got hall pass and reading log. The top right there kind of looks like where you'd fill in a test with the little circles. So that's really fun. Those would be cute to add on a page and to journal on. And then the back is this checked, or like more like square pattern of yellow. Here's a 3x4 cut apart sheet. Some of these you could use for journaling, others just little 3x4 cards. Every day is a fresh start. Let your colors shine. There's a little library card on the bottom, like due date. And then on the back, we've got just like a checkered with green and teal, blue. Here's some more cut aparts. So these are like the square cut aparts here. So 4x4 cut aparts and 2x2s. So those are super cute. Yay, such a great day. I love that one. And then the back, all these stars. I love that side. And then here's the 4x6 cut aparts that you could use to back photos, or you could just use these as journaling cards as well. And the back, this is a polka dot with the colors in the collection. And then we've got this additional sheet. Now this is not from Simple Stories. This is from this other brand here, Creative. And I love this. It's like orange arrows, and this has like all the days of the week, it looks like, with mixed media. I love this piece of paper. So that is a look at everything that comes in the September 2025 main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. They have other kits on their website, such as the limited edition kit, the creative kit, and the album kit. So there's sure to be a kit that will fit your scrapbooking needs. If you've enjoyed this unboxing video, please hit that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you're not already, so that you can see what I create with this kit throughout the month. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!